Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to set up reminder for recipient to sign documents. In order to set up reminder for recipient to sign document, you'll have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your account. When you're logged in, you need to go ahead and click on Manage from the top right hand side. And when you click on the Manage tab from the top, then it's going to take you to the page where you'll be able to locate the particular document for which you wish to go ahead and set up a reminder. So if you wish to set up a reminder, then click the arrow icon located right in the corner, and when you press on it, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So from there, you need to go ahead and click on Correct. On the other page, you need to scroll down a bit and then go to the next button, or you can just go ahead and tap on Advanced Action. And when you click on Advanced option, then you'll be able to find this option as Reminder. Then toggle the button to turn on reminders, and you can also go ahead and customize the day as well. And accordingly, click the Save button once you've set a reminder and click on Correct. After that, you need to go ahead and send the file one more time, and then you'll have successfully set up reminder to promote recipient to sign documents on DocuSign. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.